Jealousy. What is it? Jealousy is an emotion associated with the feeling of insecurity about potentially losing or having unequal possession of an important resource to us. We fear the idea of losing someone or something valuable to us to a threat from a third party. In some cases, jealousy can be irrational and can interfere with everyday lives. Severe, irrational jealousy can be harmful to a relationship and those involved due to the damaging behaviours that arise from it. Obsessiveness, aggression, distrust, and paranoia are behaviours and emotions that jealousy can lead to, which makes jealousy a leading factor in cases of domestic violence.
There are various psychological and socioeconomic reasons for individuals becoming jealous. For example, it can be driven by narcissistic tendencies linking to low self-esteem and self-image. Certain mental illnesses can also play a role in jealousy, such as anxiety, attachment issues, BPD, depression, and schizophrenia.
Jealousy comes in many forms, such as rational, sexual, pathological, and status jealousy.
Behavioral expressions of jealousy can be seen through narrowed eyes, furrowed eyebrows, a downturned mouth, pursed lips, a wrinkled nose, and folded arms. Oxytocin affects empathy, trust, and generosity, but it also plays a part in jealousy and gloating. It has been found that jealousy is 29% heritable. The rest of the variance is caused by environmental factors. Jealousy creates an increased activation in the basal ganglia and the frontal lobe, specifically the ventromedial prefrontal cortex, which is involved in emotional processing and self-perception. The amygdala, insula, and anterior cingulate cortex are also active in creating the feeling of jealousy. Jealousy is a response to evolutionary pressures. It recognizes signals indicating the potential loss of valuables to rivals. This generates negative emotions like fear and anxiety, which prompts action to prevent loss. Evolutionary psychologists believe that jealousy should not be suppressed, as it motivates us to engage in behaviors that have played a vital role in the survival and reproductive success of our ancestors. Research suggests that men experience sexual jealousy more than women as a result of evolution. For men, infidelity may lead to an evolutionary dead end, meaning that they no longer have a partner to produce offspring with. This leads to increased sensitivity towards any indications of infidelity, which manifests itself as sexual jealousy. Jealousy in families can initiate between siblings, as one may be more overlooked. This can affect future relationships as behavioral patterns from past experiences may be expressed, which can create insecurity, mistrust, fear of abandonment, and betrayal. A healthy way to cope with jealousy is by identifying emotional triggers. Instead of quickly responding with anger, you can listen and empathize, making negative emotions such as jealousy become weaker, contributing to the dynamic of your relationships.